Introduce highlight features or overview summary for QPKING Walnut Blaster Cleaner HTS678. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: safe and efficient. The intake pipe valve cleaner machine uses walnut sand as cleaning agent. A large amount of pores on surface of walnut sand which provides super adsorption capacity, non-toxic and corrosion preventive. As an eco-friendly pure natural polish material, walnut sand has advantages of hardness, pressure resistance, and wear resistance. It can clean the intake pipe and backside of the intake valve thoroughly without pipes damage and corrosion. Simultaneous injection and recovery. Walnut Blaster special machine for cleaning the back of the engine intake pipe and intake valve. After closing the intake valve, the walnut sand is sprayed into the engine air intake through the air pump. Not included, and the HTS678 recovers the walnut sand through vacuum. Because these two operations form a closed loop, walnut powder will affect the carbon deposition on the inner wall of the intake pipe. Easy to operation. Turn off the engine before cleaning, then turn the crankshaft to close the intake valve. And use a high-pressure air pump, not included, to inject walnut powder, not included, into the intake port of the engine. The built-in dust filter of automotive engine carbon deposition cleaner help to separate and recover walnut sand from carbon deposits, thus forming a complete cleaning closed loop. Integrated design. The walnut sand of Walnut Blaster kit for carbon cleaning can be sprayed and recycled simultaneously. Built-in dust filter can separate the recovered walnut sand grit from carbon deposits for recycling. Walnut sand residual in intake pipe will go to ashes at high temperature after engine cranking to avoid damaging automotive exhaust systems and parts. Car-to-carbon cleaning experts. Carbon deposits lead to engine idling instability, insufficient air intake power down, acceleration weakness. HTS678 Walnut Sand Decarbon Cleaner helps you clean the carbon deposits effectively, restoring your car to a healthy engine. Deep removal of carbon deposits. Deeply remove the highly sticky carbon deposits on the intake manifold, intake and exhaust valves. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is deep removal of carbon deposits. Deeply remove the highly sticky carbon deposits on the intake manifold, intake and exhaust valves. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.